Luxury begins with every thread. Modern luxury with timeless modesty. Elegance inspired by Saudi Arabia. Silk begins with fresh mulberry leaves. Health silkworms produce fine silk. Premium cotton starts the journey. Strong bamboo offers sustainable fibers. Only mature bamboo is harvested. Carefully place it in the basket.
Yes, this batch is perfect for the Halal factory.
Every harvest is carefully collected. Fresh cotton moves toward production. Premium fibers continue to spinning. Every cocoon is carefully collected. Pure fibers move to the next stage. Fine silk threads are carefully unwound. Bamboo is prepared for fiber extraction. Soft bamboo fibers are carefully refined. Every fiber is refined to perfection. Nature provides every color. Natural pigments are carefully extracted. Every shade is precisely balanced. Color becomes part of every fabric. Every color is gently purified. Perfect drying protects every fiber. Precision transforms threads into fabric. Quality is verified before production. Every roll is perfectly aligned. Precision guides every measurement. Every detail is carefully inspected. The fabric is perfectly aligned. Production begins with premium fabric. Every pattern is digitally positioned. Every piece is carefully organized. Precision shapes every garment. Every bundle is ready for sewing. The sewing process is ready to begin. Precision begins every stitch. the garment takes its final form. Every edge receives a flawless finish. Every sleeve fits with accuracy. Every seam is stitched with precision. Elegant details complete the design. Every garment carries its identity. Steam perfects every garment. Every neckline is perfectly finished. Every piece meets luxury standards. Every garment is carefully folded. Every detail is perfectly finished. Packaging begins with perfect organization. Luxury packaging is prepared. Every garment is fully identified. Luxury presentation completes every package. Every package is securely sealed. Each garment receives premium protection. Every package is digitally verified. Ready for global delivery. Every order is stored with precision. Every shipment is perfectly organized. Every container is carefully loaded. Crafted with care, delivered to the world. Luxury travels across the world. Moroccan beauty with timeless craftsmanship. Comfort meets graceful tradition.
Turkish elegance in every detail.